Tapos ito. Hello guys, welcome back to Joseph Plumbers. So the place you see here, I'm preparing the place of floor trap. So I will put the floor trap here guys, so watch as I'm preparing it. So the line you see here guys, this is the waste of hand wash. I will put here the waste of hand wash guys. So watch how I'm going to put it. So I want to make the hole here, the hole of the waste of hand wash. This is how you make the hole, the floor trap, where your pipe will enter. You can see the hole, you can look inside. So it's time now to fix this floor trap on the floor. So you take the measurement of the PVC pipe of 2 inch. Then you take your target, then you apply on the pipe. So this is the PVC pipe of 1.5, the one that I'm going to use on the hand wash guys. So I want to take the measurement of this hand wash. You carry your band like this. Then you insert on the pipe, the one that you are going to use the hand wash. Then you cut a small piece of pipe that will enter through the one that will enter to the hole of our floor trap. Here. So this is the waste of hand wash, guys, and this is the floor trap. You can watch. So guys, don't forget subscribing, likes and share and leave a sweet comment, guys. So subscribe for more video for supporting us. Thank you guys for watching.